guys, so today I'm going to be going through my Digital Media Web Productions website, how I made it, as well as how I created the logo, and go through all the contents with you. So let's start with the logo. So I created my logo on Photoshop. I went with a kind of black bold lettering over a lighter background, and also added 3 little line drawings. The background is actually a small section of my home page from the website, because I wanted to kind of make all the pages flow, kind of a continuity thing, so that they all matched in a way. On the letters I added a little bit of an outer glow, just so that you could see the letters stand out a little bit more against the light background. I think I went for about 40 on each of them, just so that it wasn't too much, and also you wanted to be able to see it, and then defaulted that so that all of them were the same. So to make my animation, I went onto the timeline, and my initial idea was to make the letters fade in one at a time, and after doing that I kind of didn't think that looked good enough, my next plan was to have them come onto the screen one at a time, and then have the little line drawings fade in, so it was kind of the best of both worlds in a way, and had both of the different effects. So to do that, I got the first keyframe and put it right at the beginning, and took the D off the logo, and then put another keyframe a little bit further on, just a couple of seconds, and then pulled the D back onto the screen so that it would move. And then I did the same with each of the other letters, and made sure that each letter lined up with the end of the last letter, so that they didn't come on before the last letter stopped moving, if that makes sense. So yeah, that is my finished logo. I've slowed it down a little bit here, just so that you can see how the line drawings look when they come on. They come on just a little bit slower than the letters. So yeah, that is my finished logo. Then it was time to export the logo so I could use it on my website. This is a way of doing it. I didn't use it that way. I went up here onto File, Export, and then Save for Web, because this just automatically saves it as a GIF, and that's what I wanted. I wanted the logo to be on a loop on my website. So back to the website itself. This is the home page. You can see all the different tabs and the logo up there as well, and I just kind of made a little introduction and had the title. So if you click learn more, it will take you to our history, which is just a bit more information about the company and what we do. I should probably mention that all the photos on the website are photos that I've taken, no stock images like that. So the next part is our team, meet our team page. I always think it's nice on a website if the customers get to see who they're actually working with. So I added their name and what they did, their role within the company, so video editor, exec producer, things like that, and then a little description about what they do or what they've done at the company and what they enjoy. And I also tried to make each of their photos kind of look like they worked in the industry, so with cameras, booms, anything like that. So the next part was the gallery. I wanted to make the gallery stand out just because it is a media production company, so all the work needs to look good. So here we have the photography gallery, which if you hover over you can actually see if people have liked it, and some people have, which is nice. And you can scroll through and have a look at all the photos. These are all my photos. So yeah, and if you click on them, it just enlarges them, and you can scroll through that way. If you go on the share, you can share it onto your socials. And that is the photo part. If you scroll down a little bit more, we then have the videos. So have a little moving background here along with a description, and then a few videos. These are all kind of uni videos, and then a audiobook sample, which is just a audio file that I've put onto the page. I should probably also mention that I've made all the backgrounds on the website black, just because I thought it made it look more professional. And here I'm just showing you that the videos work. So yeah, that is the gallery part. And then the next part was client reviews, which is just a few kind of reviews from customers as well as another photo. And then the contact page. So I've got the contact page as well as the map. Went with a yellow map just so it blends in with the kind of theme of yellow with the logo. And then up here in every page is the socials. So we've got the Facebook, which links to the DMWP Facebook page, and then Instagram with a few photos on there, links straight there. And back to the page. And if you click on the logo at the top, it always brings you back to the home page. So that is the end of my video walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed looking through my website and the process behind making it. Thank you!